Hi everyone, this is Raj Kumar. In this video, we'll see how we can install Windows 10. So for that one, just open a Power ISO. This software is used for creating a bootable pen drive. And the next thing you need is Windows 10 ISO file. So you can download Windows 10 ISO file from official website or any other third-party website. And you need this software called Power ISO for creating bootable pen drive. So just select create bootable pen drive. It will also pop up to use in administrative mode. So after that, just select continue and register. Then you will see here you have to select the raw file, that is ISO file for Windows 10. Here just select the Windows 10 Pro, and it took some time for successfully booting this pen drive. So we will wait until it is get successfully completed. It is showing it will took some time for around 5 to 6 minutes. So I am pausing the video, and when it gets successfully completed, I will start and tell about the next step. So finally it is showing writing USB drive successfully completed. So for creating bootable pen drive is completed. Now the next step is we'll switch to our laptops and we'll show you how we can create bootable, how we can boot or install our Windows 10 in that system. So for creating pen drive in bootable format is completed, so we'll switch to our laptop. Okay, we are on laptop. So just power give your power button on and keep pressing the. Okay, this is our BIOS setup. So you have to just give your power button on and keep pressing the booted key. In different laptop, there is different BIOS key. You can search it from Google. For HP, you have to just keep pressing escape key. Now you have to go to boot menu. Just select F9. So just press F9 and it will ask these things. So we are already having Ubuntu in our system, so it is showing OS boot manager. The next thing is you can do booting from USB flash drive. So select this option and it will ask like this how to install this one. So these are the steps you need to follow. So just keep waiting until the next step came. So it will ask where you want to install this Windows 10. So just wait for some time. So this is the things it is asking, like you want to install. These are the basic things. Just select install Windows 10. It is showing setup is starting, so just wait for. So here if you are having a window activation key, you can enter it here or you can give it later. So I am just going to skip it here. So you can give this at the last after installation also. So you have to check this I accept the license terms. So it is showing like you can either upgrade install Windows 10 and keep file settings, or you can do custom install window only in this advanced version. So depend on your need, you can choose whatever you want. So here I am going to choose install window and keep file setting and applications. We can do custom installation also. So we are going to install it in here, like here. So we are going to make it to we are going to delete this partition and we are going to install it here. we can delete this partition also if we don't need to. Like now we are having a fresh drive which is of 931 GB, so we are going to install it here. So just wait. So here you are seeing this pop-up is showing installing window, copying window file is completed, and getting files ready for installation. Means for complete installation it took some time. So again I am pausing the video. When it gets completed I will start from that segment. So this is how our installing process is going on. So installing is complete. So this is how it is showing. The next step, which version you want to install it. So it is showing, it is going to start up. So this is how it is showing, getting device ready. So after this it will, our installing window 10 is successful. So let's wait some time. It depends on laptop speed and different. So after that step this screen will come out. So here it is showing it's time to enter the product key. So we will provide our product key which we got from our window key. So I'm going to give this one, and I'm pausing it. Then after pausing it I will show the next. So it is saying get going faster, these are the things. So use express setting it is showing. So now our window 10 is going to be start. It will took some time, so have a patience and just wait. So here the next screen is showing what's going to use this PC, who is going to use this PC. So basically it is asking the administrative name and things. So I'm giving this simply Arun, and if you want to give some password you can give the password also. Here I'm giving password, and if you want to give the password you can give the hint also. So this is going to be completed. So just a moment, it is saying. So hi, it is showing hi, means our window 10 installation is completed. And this is going to set some backup things like some upgrades. Some apps is going to be upgraded for window 10s. So it might take some time, so just wait until it gets completed. So finally our window installation is completed. So this is the screen for our window 10. So let's check about section about our system. So just see our system configuration from here. This PC, just see the properties for this PC. Here you are seeing we are having a window 10 Pro we have installed. So here this is the product key. So this is how we can install window 10. So this is the basic steps you need to follow for installing window 10. So in this video that's it. Hope you like this video, keep supporting us. Thanks for watching.